Did you not know that all United States citizens traveling to the UK, whether it be for pleasure, business, school, etc., it is required from the UK to have an ETA or electronic travel authorization from the UK. Fortunately, there is a website called ukvisaportal.com that helps you with this process. I used it and it just took a few minutes to do. All you need is your demographic information, your passport, and to upload a copy of your passport and a current photo. And you submit all this along with payment. And there's 3 payment options, and depends on how fast you want the visa to be done. It can be done as quickly as 30 minutes. And this is done prior to travel to the UK. I will show you a step-by-step process, how easy it is to do through this Visa Portal website. And here we go. These are the easy step-by-step instructions. You go to ukvisaportal.com. It already shows that United States is defaulted, and you click Apply Now. Then you put in the information that is required, your name, birth date, passport number, and then you click. You can click multiple people if you want to put multiple people in there, and you pay the processing fee. And you have 3 choices of how fast you want it, whether it's 24 hours, 4 hours, or 1 hour processing fee. And you get an order summary. You pay by credit card. You put in your information for your credit card, and then you upload a copy of your passport that has no glare, and it has to be clear. And then you also upload a clear photo of yourself. And if they're accepted, then you can continue and you finish the process. And within a very short period of time, you get an email that shows the ETA has been approved by the UK government, as shown here, and that's all you have to do. It is now electronically linked to your passport, so you do not have to show any type of paper documentation when you enter the UK. I hope this helped. Safe travels to UK.